Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. It's a hot summer day today, and the last couple days we have been working on our jet ski. And in this video, I want to direct our attention to the upper manifold that we removed. We have it out of the jet ski, and I want to show you the actual freeze plugs. And these are specifically designed weak points along your manifold to give way in the event that water freezes in the actual pipe. And it could be in the middle of summer. There could be that one summer day that the temperature drops below zero and that pipe is full of water and it expands and that freeze plug is going to blow, and at that point you got a leak. So again, in this video I want to show you what our manifold did. Unfortunately, the freeze plug did give way and started leaking in the entire hull. So let's take a look. At this point, I already have the exhaust manifold removed from the jet ski engine, and as you can see here, it's on the box. Inside this box is the new manifold. We will get to that here shortly. And the way I have this positioned is, in the event that the jet ski was here, this would be the front portion of the jet ski, the engine in the middle, and then the rear portion of the jet ski would be here. This is how it is positioned on the top portion of the engine, and it comes off the engine portion here, connects with these bolts, and feeds all the way to the lower exhaust manifold that then feeds along the entire side of the hull and then back into the impeller housing area. So here's what happened. This is a cast iron pipe. This is a very strong pipe. However, these are specifically designed weak points along the actual pipe. And I'll show you. Right here you can see a small little indent right there. And it is that indent that is the weak point. When water freezes inside this pipe and expands, it doesn't crack any portions of this cast iron pipe. It blows right here. And by doing that, it causes much less harm to the actual pipe as opposed to a big, large crack. And with that said, I want to talk about the actual repair on this. It is an option to actually have a welder repair these freeze points. In most cases, it may run you $150, just depending on your location and the actual shop rates for welders. I believe in our area it's probably $150. So what I want to do now is I actually want to show you the exact location where ours blew. All right, here we are right here. That is a little larger hole than what we see here. However, again, just that indent is the weak point. And we don't know when it froze or when it actually happened, but we did know when the jet ski started sagging in the water, and it was because this point, when the engine is running, this pipe is under so much pressure with the water, it was spraying out this small hole aggressively and filling the hull quite rapidly, adding a lot of additional weight to the jet ski, hence the sagging in the water. And it's good we caught it in the timely manner, because the more water inside that hull, you submerge a lot of your engine parts, and you add a lot of weight to the jet ski and allow it to continue to sag or sink further into the water, and that is scary. Next thing I want to talk about is the actual part number. When it comes time to purchase a new pipe, you want to reference the part numbers, and the way this is actually positioned in the engine, it's very tough to see these numbers because, again, they are on the bottom side of the pipe. However, just by maneuvering your phone in here, and you can take a photo of it or a video, copy these numbers, and when it comes time to research online for new pipes, match these numbers. Verify that the pipe you are purchasing is the correct pipe. Back to the freeze plug or blowout portion of the pipe. Is this worth fixing, putting the money into it? Yeah, of course. It just depends on how much it costs in your area. Again, the welder prices. However, what we did, we purchased a used one online for a very affordable price. It's inside this box. We'll show you that here shortly. And as we were doing some research online, we found out that the pipe itself, brand new, including labor, was going to be $560 at our local marina for the repair. So what we did is we purchased, again, a used part for a good price, and we chose to do the do-it-yourself type friendly project, and we are going to replace this entire pipe. And with that in mind, at the end of this video, you are going to see a few different videos that will definitely be beneficial. Number one, replacing this entire manifold pipe. And the second video you will see is it's very important that you put the actual silicone on this face portion of the pipe as you connect the upper manifold pipe to the lower manifold pipe and then secure it with that clamp. That's very, very important, because if you don't do that properly, you will always have leaks, and that's not good. And an additional video you will see is me showing you a website that you can buy parts from. It's a very cool website designed very professionally as far as user friendly, and it covers a wide variety of boats and jet skis. However, in that video we focus on our specific make and model jet ski. It's a direct injection GTX Sea-Doo, and that website is really cool because you get to pull up each diagram of all the systems, whether it's the fuel system, exhaust system, the air intake system, the electrical system. It also allows you to pull up jet ski body parts such as the handlebars and the front cover for the storage unit, and many additional parts. So definitely check that video out. It might be a very good source to purchase all your jet ski parts. New part is in. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. New manifold is out of the box, and this may sound silly. Before even unwrapping anything, just verify that the part looks exactly like the part that's currently connected on your jet ski, meaning the old part. If it doesn't match or it doesn't look the same, you got the wrong one. And if that's the case, that definitely throws a wrench in the whole project. That's it, YouTubers. Hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.